Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Samreen and I'm teacher. I'm from Pakistan. I provide study to needy and poor student. So I want some donate for my school because I parent and some student want uniform, some student want course because they have no uniform and no course. But I really need to rent for my school. If I will not pay rent, so honestly that leave my school. So let's I make my student. She is Fatma. How are you, Fatma? Okay, Fatma. In which class do you read? In which class do you read? Fatma. कौन सी क्लास में? which class do you read? Nursery class. Okay. How are you? Good. What's your name? Faizan. In which class do you read? Nursery. Okay. How are you? Okay. He's a very little boy and he's a full day student. Yes, what do you want? How are you? Okay, you're fine. Which fruit do you like, Khatija? Which fruit do you like? Apple. Fatma, which fruit do you like? Okay, you also like apple. Okay, Fazan, you say which fruit do you like? Apple. Mariam, sit down, Fatma. Stand up, Mariam. Mariam, which fruit do you like? Apple. Hania, which animal do you like? Animal. Lion. Oh.